Alright, hey guys, this is Albert with Mainland Cycle Center. We're going to do something we haven't done before, which is an unboxing on a bike. I don't think we've ever done that on the YouTube channel. But this is a pretty cool bike. We've been really waiting for it to come in. So this is a ZR1000 KLF. That is, for you uneducated, the 2020 ZH2. So the ZH2 Supercharged. We've got Delbert. Delbert is our make-ready guy. He's going to start unboxing it. And if you bought a motorcycle from Mainland Cycle Center in the last 3 or 4 or 5 years, Delbert probably put it together. He has put together several thousand motorcycles probably for us. He does them all the time. Very good at what he does. We're off fixing to get our first look inside the crate. So if you've ever wondered how they come in, this is how this one comes in. Some of them need a little more putting together than others. And of course, if you're unaware, the big deal with this bike is that it is the supercharged version. So this will be Kawasaki's flagship naked super sport, or super naked. Can we call it that? Super naked. Boy, I really like this. Looks like it's got some of the black chrome here that the regular H2s have. At least on this part, I didn't expect that. Also, these do not have a single-sided swing arm, so it is a double-sided swing arm. Like I said, he's a professional. He's done this lots and lots of times. River Marque there on the front. I was reading the info on this bike earlier, and they said it had all LED lighting, but I noticed it does not have the LED signals, so it does have incandescent bulbs on the turn signals. I'm not sure what the deal is, why the European bikes are getting the LED turn signals, but for some reason we're not getting them here in the US. It must have something to do with Department of Transportation or something like that. It does have the Brembo brakes, 4-piston brakes. They're not the Stylema brakes, model calipers, but they are Brembos. Brembo rotors as well. Try to stay out of his way. Don't like to mess with them too much. These are equipped with quick shifter. Okay, so he's got Andrew, one of our other make-ready guys, here with him, and they're going to take it loose, and they'll get it rolled off of the crate here for us. Power tools help this go really fast. That, like I said, they know what they're doing. They've done it a few times. And they're simply going to roll it right off. go. Very, very cool. So this one looks like it's come pretty well put together. A little bit of plastic on the seat there have come off. We're going to go ahead and put a battery in it, and we'll come back and do another video and take a look at the instrumentation. But so inline 4-cylinder, 999 cc's. This is the balanced supercharger, so it's a little different than what you see on the regular H2 Super Sport, but very similar to what you would see on the H2 SX. This is a trellis frame. This bike is 527 pounds curb weight, so it is a little heavy. To put that in perspective, our Z900, which is very light, is right around 467 pounds. So this bike is 60 pounds heavier than that, but a lot of that is the supercharger. The bigger motors, heavier, and that kind of thing. But very, very cool. Love the color. Kind of a metallic black here. Definitely a metallic black on the tank. Really looks good. There's ZH2 logo. But supercharged. These are, I believe they're 200 horsepower is the rating on these. Of course, liquid cooled, fuel injected, inverted front forks, the LED headlights. This is equipped with quick shifter, both up and down. This is a 6-speed transmission, and this does have the cassette type transmission, so you can service the transmission without removing the engine from the bike. Pretty cool. Now, really nice. I love that they have this little section of that mirror finished paint on here. Didn't get a lot of that, but it really pops right there. I'm going to get the mirrors put on, it looks like. So it looks like the seat, very similar pattern to what we have on the Z900. Of course, it is an LED tail light. 4 into 2 into 1 exhaust, or 4 into 1 exhaust. These are equipped with the IMU, so the inertia measurement unit, so this does have lean sensitive ABS traction control, as Kawasaki did with the new Z900. This has the sport, street, and rain modes, which are going to affect, depending on which one of those you choose, the power mode and the traction control mode. And then it also has the rider mode that lets you select whatever power mode you want, full power or low power, and then also it lets you select the whatever traction control mode you want as well. Showa front forks with big piston, separate function front forks. I think I told you these are equipped with electronic cruise control, adjustable levers. There's your ignition switch. Of course, premium fuel on these, definitely premium fuel. Let's see, MSRP on these, $17,000 on these, which I think is priced really good for a top of the line super naked on the market. I think the KTM's a little higher. We're going to do a video on the KTM 1290 Super Duke R very, very quickly. We just got the 2020 model of one of those in just a few days ago. Still got to get one of those out. This also has the slipper and assist clutch, so the FCC slipper and assist clutch, so really light, easy clutch pull. Let's see, what else? IMU. Okay, so it has the full color display. With Rideology, the app, so it lets you connect your smartphone to that display. Like I said, we're going to get this one serviced up. We'll come back and do another little video. We're going to look under there, Delbert. So you got the battery. Yep, the battery's over there. That's where your battery's going to go. There. Okay. Yeah, cool. He's going to get the battery going. All right. Well, that's a quick look and walk around. We'll come back and take a look as soon as we get the video up and the video of the display up and going, and we'll crank her up. let you hear that. All right, so goodbye for now.